Hi guys, welcome back to FabArts Studio. So in today's video, we will see 3 ideas on how to make a gift wrapping paper using a simple white paper. For all my ideas, I am just using a simple printing paper and this brush pens. You can also use simple sketch pens. So for our first idea, we will use these two colors, blue and dark blue, to make such leaves. And you can write your compliments on any contrast color. So for the next idea, I am just making some random patterns using only black color. So it actually gives a look of a tribal pattern. Yeah, this is how it looks. You can complement it with a red color and it will look amazing. So for the next idea, I am using this green and yellow combination. You can use any other combination of your choice. These are the 3 ideas that you can try on your own, and only thing you will need is the white paper and few sketch pens. So that's it for today. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel because we will be bringing you more such videos in future. Till then, goodbye.